All right, we got some new tools in the building, man. We got these Andis GTX black T outliners. Show you what these things are looking like. If I can get it open. All right. So we got the little and this paperwork right there. We got 2, 3, 4 guards that come with it. We got we got the clipper oil. We got the actual clippers. There they are, man. Nice looking clipper. It feels good. I've heard a lot about it, man. I'm ready to adjust them and see how they hit. You see they almost zero gap. That's actually pretty close coming out the box. It's supposed to have the longer teeth, as you can see. They are actually pretty long. They're definitely longer than the standard T outliner, the gray ones. But I'm gonna plug them up and I'll let you guys hear how it sound. All right, one thing I do love about these clippers is the cord, man. The cord is pretty thick and it's very long. Like, look at that, that's a long cord. But the cord is actually real thick, so you don't have to worry about the, I don't think you would have to worry about too much tangling for real. So we're gonna do a sound check. Oh yeah, it sounds legit, man. And I think I'm gonna adjust these clippers. I don't know if I'm gonna modify them with the on the money modifiers. Yeah, I think I will modify them with those, and then adjust them with those, and then modify them with the blade modifier that came with it. But anyway, these are the GTX, man. These are the new clippers I'm gonna be using in the videos. I'm gonna do an edge up with them today, and hopefully I had that video up today also. All right, I'm out.